guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and to my new subscribers, welcome. I'm Drip Princess and I upload fashion and lifestyle content.
Too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and down. Off this way, going out the show. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fire, been on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and down. Off this way, going.
So today is going to be another vlog for you. Right now I'm in the car. I'm in front of the UPS store because my boyfriend, he had to go in there or whatever. Then we're gonna head to Cherry Hill Mall because your girl is going to be buying herself a MacBook. We're definitely getting new equipment for our editing when it comes to editing videos. I don't know, I did just buy a camera too, and I also bought the Sony tripod. Tripod was $100. I never spent $100 on a tripod, but it's definitely worth it. Okay, I'm not gonna say too much of the plans because I really don't know. We're just really gonna go with the vibes. And with my boyfriend, again, this is our weekend to hang out, and we always do something spontaneous. Okay, so hey y'all, we're done bowling and I won bowling. We're about to go get something to eat, pizza and wings. We're about to go to Tony Soprano's to get the wings. We're gonna be trying this new like pizza. Well, it's not a new pizza spot, but I never tried this pizza before that we're gonna be trying. It's a new pizza spot? Also, it's like overall new, like it just came out. Get into our bag. Why did you just throw? Okay. Pizza. Is this pepperoni?
No.
Oh. No, just making sure.
You put it right there. I was gonna get the movie on.
Yeah, you gotta turn the movie on. What you doing? We're about to eat pizza and movies on. Amen. I'm officially a YouTuber. Like, oh, it's so cute.